Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to use FlipGrid for our class using our class code. Now, some of you may have the FlipGrid app on your iPads already, and it looks something like this. So if you have the FlipGrid app on your iPad, so what you're going to do is you're going to press it and open it up. And it's going to ask you to enter our class code. Now, our class code for FlipGrid is Luca Damo, so that's Miss Alyssa's last name. Luca Damo, and then it's 9005. So I'm going to double check that just to make sure it's right. And then, so Luca Damo 9005, and you're going to press go. And then you're going to press join with Google, and you're going to use your PS139 Gmail login. So that's your first name and your last name in all capital letters at Gmail. So join with Google. You're going to press, if this pops up, you're going to continue. And hopefully it's already loaded. If not, you just press use another account. I'm going to put in my PS139 email. So P. Craig at ps139.org. Next, I'm going to put in my password. After I put in my password, I'm going to press next. I'm just going to do it, save my password. And you should be all set to go. Now, normally, when Miss Liz posts a video, you're going to have an option to record or some other material. You're going to have an option to record your response, and that's how you're going to turn in your work. And I'm going to show you guys a video of how to do that as well. So thank you. If you have any questions, please let us know.